Pakistani was a tad bit expensive from a few ends, but over the last 23 deliveries, which is roughly 4 overs, no boundary given. They certainly put on the squeeze.
Yeah, I mean, look at that way. The run rate has been around close to 10 in the first 9. And then it is almost 2 in the last 4. Also, they have lost 2 wickets. And it tells you the value of wickets in any format, in this T20 format as well. Look at that. The projected score is now 153 at the current run rate of 7.65. Of course, they can do more. They just need to build some partnership.
When we came into the comms box, we were talking about a 180 being very easily attainable for India. How things change in a matter of minutes. It's a packed house, or slowly getting there at the West End Park International Cricket Stadium. Googly! Beautifully bowled, and the finger goes up after much pondering. Mahmood Khan says yes. Masood, you get that wicket. Ashutosh doesn't believe it.
Yeah, he's still thinking that the impact is outside the off stump, but Mahmood Khan Kharote from Afghanistan thinks otherwise. He thinks this googly is hitting off stump, and the impact is not outside the off stump. Let's have a look at that.
It is contentious. It is very contentious.
Well, Ashutosh does not open his account in this format yet, here at the Emerging Rising Star Asia Cup, and India are 102 for 5.
कश्मीर की नई पहचान की शुरुआत कैसे हो सकती है, ये मुझे पता है। सर, हमें एक प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉल क्लब की जरूरत है।
कि यहाँ कबाड़ खाने में तुम कश्मीर का रियल मैड्रिड बनाओगे।
यहाँ के लोगों को सिर्फ काम नहीं सर, इज्जत भी मिलेगी। सर, वही इज्जत जिसके लिए कश्मीरी बरसों से तरस रहे हैं।
Bring football back to Kashmir.
Who's our best chance, Murad?
Only one person, sir.
Mr. Prime Minister, your proposal is rejected.
I will not allow people walking over me without repercussion.
Jega.
देखिए महारानी Season 4
Would have to use all of his experience in this format to help his side.
And the boundaries have dried. Wickets have fallen, 3 wickets. I think the momentum shifted since the fall of Suryavanshi in the 10th over. And this is the wicket. So googly, and Ashutosh cannot believe his luck.
Last 5 overs, or last 30 balls rather, 3 wickets and a mere 24 runs conceded. Suddenly, the team in green has hit a purple patch.
Yeah, I mean, you look at that, the impact of Vaibhav's wicket. How crucial has that been, and how wonderful the comeback from Pakistan has been. That's another good over that comes to an end. A bit of a hustle in between, but all well. At the end, 3 runs in a wicket in this over. After 14, it's 104 for 5.
Who's our best chance, Murad?
Only one person, sir.
Mr. Prime